So my daughter and I, we go to H Mart, this huge Korean supermarket near where we live. We're all excited about it. We get all overhyped. And of course we buy more stuff than we really need. And we bought a Napa cabbage, obviously for kimchi, but we bought this huge daikon or Chinese radish. Of course we didn't have a recipe for it. Now it's getting a little old in the fridge. We gotta do something with it. So what are we gonna do with it? Check it out next. All right, look what we got here, folks. We have all our radishes sliced in pickling juice, fully submerged underneath a bunch of fresh dill from my backyard, which I didn't really grow, it volunteered. Anyway, now we're gonna let this thing sit for 3 weeks, and I'll taste it later, but it's gonna be good. Thanks for joining us. Eat, drink, savor.